If your 2019 Dodge Challenger SXT is throwing the P0128 code, it's probably the thermostat. Here's a quick DIY thermostat replacement step by step. First, unclamp your cold air intake hose. Next, undo the sensor underneath. Remove the hose to access the thermostat. There's one clamp and 2 screws to loosen to remove the housing. Loosen the clamp and try to prevent as much coolant from leaking on your belt. Remove the 2 bolts from the housing, then remove the thermostat. It might take a couple tries to remove the part. Clean the surface and install new hardware. Next, enjoy a smoothie break to celebrate how much money you're saving. After celebrating, then get humbled by a clown. Make sure hose is secure, then clean up any excess coolant that's spilled. Fill your reservoir before running engine on idle. Close your reservoir and start putting everything back together. Start with your sensor first, then reattach your intake hose. For now, only tighten your top clamp. Reattach your engine cover and then get ready to bleed the system. For this part, you want to turn your heat up high, but your fan down low, then let it run for 15 minutes. Keep an eye on your coolant levels and engine temperature while it runs idle. Finally, bleed the air from the valve until the coolant starts to leak. Reattach your intake hose and get ready to clear the code. If you're like me and don't own a scanner, just unplug your battery for 10 minutes. Lastly, reattach the battery, then crank it up. Let it run. Make sure that check engine light is gone. Success! Link in bio for part.